Diesel?
Sorry,
Oh.
I had the wrong pickup location. I was gonna go
Okay.
there.
Please wear helmet, yeah, for your safety.
Oh, helmet?
Yes, for your safety.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Ready? How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Good. I'm
Good?
good as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Where are you from, miss?
Belanda.
Oh, Belanda.
Well, I don't know how long I will stay. I live here for a while.
Oh.
Couple months, I guess.
Oh, yeah?
So we will see.
Where?
Yeah.
Just here?
Yeah. You can stop here.
Okay.
Let's see how does. Okay, wait. How does this work?
Oh,
Oh,
thank you so much.
thank you.
Have a good night. You too. Bule Belanda, guys.